Welcome back to LittleAIMaster, where we don't just use AI, we raise one. Today's big question is one your phone answers 100 times a day without you noticing. How does a machine with no eyes look at a photo and actually see what's inside it? You snap a picture of an old family photo and your phone instantly says, "Found 5 faces." That's wild. AI has no eyes, no brain, no memories of those people. So how did it spot 5 faces in a fraction of a second? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly, and you'll know how to build one yourself. Meet Byte, our glowing gold AI friend. When Maya asked Byte how it found those faces, Byte said something surprising. "I don't have eyes like you. I see using a camera sensor and numbers." To Byte, a photo isn't a picture at all, it's a giant grid of numbers. That's the secret we're unpacking. Here's our plan, the honest way AI engineers think about it. We'll go from pixels, tiny squares of color, up through edges and shapes, to detecting things, to recognizing them, and finally to training your own image recognition AI on examples. Each step is simple. Stacked together, they're powerful. Step 1, every digital image is a grid of tiny colored squares called pixels. Zoom into any photo far enough, and the smooth picture breaks into little blocks. Each block is 1 pixel, the smallest piece of an image. A human sees a face. The computer sees a grid of these squares and nothing else. Now the magic. Each pixel's color is stored as numbers. Computers use RGB, red, green, blue, each on a scale from 0 to 255. A purple pixel might be 120, 45, 200. A medium red, a little green, lots of blue. Mix those 3 numbers and you get any color. So a photo is really millions of tiny number triples. How many of these squares are we talking about? A normal 12-megapixel phone photo holds about 12 million pixels. 12 million tiny color values in one single picture. When Byte says it sees numbers, it means millions of them, and it has to make sense of all of them fast. Byte explains resolution like this. The more pixels an image has, the more detail there is to analyze. A higher resolution photo is like a sharper pair of glasses for the AI. More pixels means more clues. But it also means more numbers to crunch, so cameras clean and shrink images before the AI studies them. Inside LittleAIMaster, this isn't just a lecture, kids actually grow a model. You feed it examples, name it, and watch it learn, the same loop real engineers use. Seeing pixels become a prediction with your own AI is what makes the idea stick. That's the whole spirit. Raise one, don't just read about it. If you're enjoying building this up brick by brick, hit subscribe. Every video on this channel teaches one real AI idea you can actually try. Now let's turn those millions of numbers into something the AI can use. Edges. Where do the pixels come from? A camera lens, curved glass, focuses light onto a sensor packed with millions of tiny light-measuring cells. Each cell measures color and brightness and turns it into a pixel number. So the journey is, light enters the lens, the sensor captures it, and out comes a grid of pixels. Compare that to you. Light hits your retina, which converts it to signals, and your brain recognizes meaning instantly. You spot a friend, read a sign, or catch a ball in midair without thinking. You get color, people, and the whole story all at once. The computer gets a grid of numbers and has to build meaning up from scratch. So who's better? Neither, they have different superpowers. Humans win at context and creativity. You understand a joke, you feel surprised by an optical illusion. AI wins at speed and scale. It can scan thousands of slides or count cars for hours without getting tired. The best results come when humans decide and AI assists. Before the AI studies an image, it often simplifies. Byte's trick: convert to grayscale, shades of gray only, no color. It also resizes and removes noise. This cleanup is called image processing, and it makes the next step, finding edges, far more reliable. Less clutter, clearer clues. In the app, every learner has a home habitat, your base camp for the whole AI journey. From here you jump into lessons, your tutor, and your model. We designed it warm and game-like on purpose. Learning how machines see should feel like play, not a textbook. Here's the first real seeing step. An edge is simply a place where brightness changes sharply, where a dark region meets a bright one. The AI scans the pixel grid for these jumps. Edges trace the outline of a face, the border of a letter, the shape of a bicycle. From a sea of numbers, edges are the first hint of structure. Edges combine into shapes, circles, lines, rectangles. Shapes combine into features, wheels, spokes, and handlebars for a bicycle, eyes, a nose, and a mouth for a face. So recognition is built in layers. Pixels make edges, edges make shapes, shapes make features, and features point to a label. Small clues stacked. Let's put the whole chain in order the way engineers do it. Light enters the lens. The sensor captures pixels. The image is pre-processed, resized, and cleaned. The AI detects edges and features. It recognizes objects or text. And finally, it decides an action. 6 steps every time from light to decision. Byte shares a deep idea here. AI often succeeds not because 2 images are identical, but because their important edges and shapes line up in similar ways. That's why it can still spot a face or a sign even when the lighting, background, or angle changes. It's matching patterns, not photographs. This layered idea, pixels, edges, shapes, features, is exactly what a neural network does, and in the app you can watch one light up. Seeing signals flow from input toward a prediction turns an abstract pipeline into something you can literally point at. That's the moment it clicks for most kids. Quick one, drop a comment telling us what you train an AI to recognize. Your dog, your handwriting, every kind of cloud. We read them and great ideas become future videos. Okay, now the part everyone loves, faces. Aisha took a party photo with 10 people, and her phone instantly drew boxes around every face. No names, just boxes before she tapped anything. How did it know where the faces were? This is face detection, and it starts with one beautifully simple pattern. Almost every human face shares a layout. 2 eyes side by side, a nose in the center below them, and a mouth below that. Detectors hunt for this familiar arrangement. Selfies, school photos, group pictures, they all share it. If the layout matches, the AI says, probably a face, and draws a box. This is the most important distinction in the whole topic. Detection finds where faces are and draws boxes. It doesn't know who anyone is. Recognition identifies the actual person, and that needs enrollment and permission. Autofocus and fun filters only need detection. Unlocking your phone or tagging a friend needs recognition. Big difference. To get precise, detectors place landmarks, key points like the corners of your eyes, the tip of your nose, and the corners of your mouth. These points let the AI straighten a tilted head, center the box, and even track expressions for a filter. Detect the box, find the landmarks, align, then crop a neat face. Ever notice a face in a cloud or a wall socket? Byte calls that a false positive. The layout looks face-like enough to trigger the detector, but it isn't a real face. It even happens with cartoons and emojis. Knowing the face pattern explains both the power and the funny mistakes of these systems. What makes a face easy to detect? In the app's Face Box Lab, clarity matters most. Good lighting helps, a straight-on angle helps, but clear features, visible eyes, nose, and mouth matter the most. Motion blur is the enemy. It smears the edges and the detector loses the face. Clear and still beats fancy. Stuck on detection versus recognition? In the app, you can just ask Byte, your AI tutor, in plain words. Byte explains at your level, gives an example, and never does the thinking for you, it teaches. It's like having a patient mentor who's awake at midnight when the curiosity hits. Now we build. Alex wanted an app that tells cats from dogs in photos and asked the perfect question. How many photos do I need to train the AI? The answer reveals exactly how machine vision is born, not from rules a human writes, but from examples the AI studies. Maya asked Alex, did you see one dog and instantly know all dogs? No, he saw his neighbor's poodle, a giant German shepherd, tiny chihuahuas. His brain needed many examples to learn the pattern of dogness. AI is the same. The more varied examples it sees, the better it learns the real pattern. So Alex collected 200 cat photos and 200 dog photos and showed each one to the AI with a label. This is a cat, this is a dog. That label is the lesson. After training on those 400 examples, the AI could correctly identify pets it had never seen before. That leap is the whole point. Here's the loop. 1. Show labeled examples, hundreds of cats and dogs. 2. The AI hunts for patterns. What's common to all cats? 3. It builds a mental model. Cats have pointed ears, whiskers, narrow pupils. 4. For a new image, it compares to those patterns. 5. It predicts 95% confident this is a cat. Because we hand the AI the correct answer with every example. This is a cat. This is a dog. Bite calls it supervised learning. The labels act like a supervisor guiding the student. No labels, no supervision. It's the most common way image recognition AI is taught, and now you know its real name. Here's the trap. AI should learn the pattern, not memorize the photos. If it just memorizes, it fails on anything new. When it learns the real pattern, it can handle situations it never trained on. That ability is called generalization. Train only on red cars, and it may not recognize a blue one. Variety is everything. This builds across a whole guided journey in the app. Pixels, edges, faces, training, and beyond, each chapter unlocking the next. The map turns a big scary subject into a clear path you can actually finish. You always know where you are and what powerful idea comes next. If you'd love to build Alex's Pet Detector yourself, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more curious kids find this. Next, we scale up from cats and dogs to sorting hundreds of real photos automatically. Ms. Sharma described a hidden fruit. Yellow, curved, has a peel, soft and sweet. The class shouted banana. But Priya noticed, just yellow could be a mango or a lemon too. Bites lesson. That's why AI needs multiple features. One clue is weak. Several strong clues together make recognition accurate. Not all features are equal. A dog's name being Buddy is irrelevant. It doesn't help identify a dog. Size alone is misleading. Great Danes and Chihuahuas are both dogs. Good features are distinctive between categories, consistent, and actually relevant. 4 legs and barks beats the name every time. Bites rule. More good features means more accuracy. That's why Face Unlock doesn't just check for a general face shape. It measures eye spacing, face outline, and other stable details together. Many strong features make it hard to fool. The same principle powers spam filters and even medical diagnosis AI. Understanding features is great. Using them is better. The app's creation tools let kids build real little AI projects, turning what they learned about pixels, edges, and features into something they made themselves. Making is how knowledge becomes skill, and skill is what sticks for years. Rohan came back from a trip with 847 photos on his phone and wanted only the food shots, without scrolling forever. His friend said, "Open Google Photos and search food." Instantly, 63 photos appeared: dosas, pizza, street food, all of them. He never tagged a single one. How? That's image classification. The AI looks at every photo and sorts it into categories: food, beaches, mountains, people, automatically. Rohan searched beach next, and 52 photos appeared instantly. The AI had quietly classified all 847 the moment they were taken. It's a super fast librarian for your whole gallery. Here's a twist. One photo can belong to many categories at once. A picnic at a monument might score outdoor 98%, people 97, food 89, monument 96, tourism 82, all assigned together. That's multi-label classification, and it's why the same beach cricket photo can be tagged beach, sports, people, outdoor, and summer simultaneously. To build one, follow 5 steps. 1. Humans define the categories. 2. Collect thousands of example images per category. 3. Humans label each one beach, not beach. 4. The AI learns the features: beach means blue water, sandy texture, a horizon line, bright sun. 5. Test on new photos and improve. Let's make it real with an Indian street food classifier. 8 categories: samosa, dosa, pani puri, and more, with 5,000 images each, 40,000 in total. After training, dosa hit 96% accuracy, samosa 94 for 92% overall. The hardest pair? Samosa versus kakori, similar triangular shape confuses it, just like it confuses us. When the AI says 92%, Byte wants you to read it right. That's a confidence score, a probability, not a guarantee. Models are never 100% cert. There's also top 5 accuracy, a hit if the correct label is anywhere in the model's top 5 guesses. Honest AI shows its uncertainty instead of pretending. Ready to go deeper? Older learners use the INAP Python lab to write real code that works with data the way a classifier does. There's nothing to install. You type, you run, you see results. It's the bridge from understanding AI to actually programming one. Next time your Photos app finds every beach picture in a second, you'll know there's a trained classifier behind it. Save this video so you can show a friend. Now, how did AI get this good this fast? The progress is staggering. In 2010, photo classifiers managed about 70% accuracy on around 20 categories. By 2015, 85%. By 2020, 95%. Today, 98 to 99% across more than 100,000 categories. From clumsy to near human in about 15 years. What drove that jump? 4 things. Far more training data. Google Photos learned from billions of images and now handles over 10,000 categories. Plus better algorithms called deep learning, much faster computer chips, and constant learning from mistakes. More examples plus more power equals sharper vision. Even at 99%, AI still trips on lookalikes. Dog versus wolf, beach versus lake. When 2 categories share many features, the evidence overlaps and the model hesitates. That's not a bug, it's honest. Sometimes even humans can't tell, so good AI gives probabilities instead of pretending every photo has one obvious answer. Byte's most grown-up lesson. Design choices matter, humans guide what AI should and shouldn't do. With face tools, ask permission, explain how detections are used, and don't store faces unless you truly need to. Powerful vision deserves careful, respectful hands. You're not just building AI, you're deciding how it treats people. As you move through all this, the app tracks your progress so your effort is visible, chapters cleared, skills earned, streaks kept. Seeing how far you've come is fuel to keep going. Learning AI is a marathon, and a good map of your journey keeps the momentum alive. Let's lock it in. A photo is a grid of pixels stored as RGB numbers. The AI cleans it, finds edges where brightness jumps, builds edges into shapes and features, and matches features to a label with a confidence score. Detection finds where, recognition identifies who or what. That's how AI sees. And to build one, gather many varied examples, label each with the correct answer. That's supervised learning. Let the AI discover the patterns, then test it on new images to be sure it generalized instead of memorized. Cats and dogs, beaches and samosas, same recipe, every time. Examples plus labels make sight. Finish a course in the app and you earn a real certificate. Proof you didn't just watch AI happen, you understood it and built one. That's the LittleAIMaster promise. Every kid leaves able to explain and to create, not just to consume. So next time your phone finds 5 faces or sorts your photos in a blink, you'll know the real machinery: pixels, edges, features, labels, and training on examples. Now go build your own. Subscribe and start your journey at LittleAIMaster.com. Don't just use AI, raise one. See you in the next one.